Venus, a beauty with a deadly secret. Our solar system harbors a celestial jewel named Venus, a planet that has fascinated humanity for centuries. Venus is cloaked in swirling clouds of sulfuric acid, creating an impenetrable veil that hides its surface from view. This planet is a beacon so bright it outshines all other stars in our night sky, earning it the title of the evening star. Early astronomers, captivated by its brilliance, bestowed upon it the name of the Roman goddess of love and beauty. They marveled at its radiance, unaware of the hostile environment that lay beneath. But beneath this alluring facade lies a harsh reality, a world where the surface temperature can melt lead, and the atmospheric pressure is crushing. This truth is hidden from the prying eyes of telescopes on distant Earth, revealing itself only to those who dare to explore further. Venus, for all its ethereal beauty, is a planet of extremes. Its atmosphere is thick with carbon dioxide, creating a runaway greenhouse effect that traps heat. The surface is a desolate, uninhabitable wasteland where life as we know it is utterly impossible. The ground is covered with volcanic plains and mountains, shaped by intense geological activity. Imagine, if you will, the audacity, the sheer thrill and terror of standing on the surface of this enigmatic world. The heat is unbearable, the pressure immense, and the air unbreathable. As you step out of your spacecraft, the true nature of Venus reveals itself, not gradually, not subtly, but in one overwhelming, inescapable assault on your senses. The sky is a perpetual orange, the ground a cracked, barren expanse. The landscape is overwhelming, a testament to the planet's violent past and present. Venus is a world of contrasts, a beautiful enigma with a deadly secret, reminding us of the delicate balance that makes Earth so uniquely habitable. The air, a dense, suffocating blanket of carbon dioxide, hits you first. On Earth, our atmosphere presses down on us with a force we barely notice. On Venus, that force is magnified nearly 100 times, equivalent to being 3,000 feet beneath the ocean's surface. Your chest constricts, your lungs struggle in vain to draw a breath. The immense pressure doesn't just crush your lungs, it affects your entire body. Your bones creak under the strain, your internal organs cry out in protest. Veins collapse, blood flow slows, and your heart, valiant but overmatched, struggles to maintain its frantic rhythm. If the pressure doesn't get you, the heat surely will. Venus is a victim of a runaway greenhouse effect, its atmosphere trapping heat from the sun with terrifying efficiency. The surface temperature soars to an infernal 900 degrees Fahrenheit, hotter than the melting point of lead. The air shimmers with heat, distorting the landscape into a surreal, wavering mirage. Your protective suit, designed to withstand the most extreme conditions, begins to buckle under the onslaught. The first touch of heat is like plunging your hand into boiling water. Then the pain intensifies, searing, relentless, as the very air around you becomes an incinerator. Section 4. Toxic air and acid rain, the final insults. As if the pressure and heat weren't enough, Venus has one final gruesome trick up its sleeve. The planet's atmosphere is a veritable death trap, a hostile environment that seems almost designed to repel any form of life. The thick atmosphere, a toxic cocktail of carbon dioxide and sulfuric acid, begins to eat away at your suit, your exposed skin. The very air you breathe is a noxious blend that would be fatal within moments. The air stings your nostrils, an acrid burning sensation that sears your lungs with every involuntary gasp. Breathing becomes a painful, laborious task, each breath feeling like inhaling fire. Above, through the perpetual twilight, clouds swirl, laden not with life-giving rain, but with droplets of concentrated sulfuric acid. These clouds are a constant reminder of the planet's inhospitable nature, swirling ominously in the sky. Each drop, a miniature missile of corrosive fury, would sear your flesh on contact. The acid rain is relentless, a never-ending assault that would quickly corrode any material it touches. Venus, it seems, has saved the worst for last. The planet's final insult is its unyielding, corrosive environment, a place where survival is not just difficult, but impossible. The harsh reality of Venus is a stark reminder of the planet's deadly nature. Section 5. The Final Frontier, a universe of challenges. Our exploration of space has revealed a universe teeming with wonders, with planets and moons that defy our wildest imaginations. From the gas giants like Jupiter and Saturn, with their swirling storms and majestic rings, to the rocky terrains of Mercury and Venus, each celestial body tells a story of its own. The moons, too, are no less fascinating. Titan, with its thick atmosphere and methane lakes, and Enceladus, with its geysers spewing water into space, challenge our understanding of what a moon can be. Yet it has also shown us the fragility of life as we know it, the unforgiving nature of the cosmos. The vast emptiness of space, with its radiation and microgravity, poses significant risks to human health. Astronauts aboard the International Space Station experience muscle atrophy and bone density loss, reminding us of the delicate balance required to sustain life. The thin veil of Earth's atmosphere, which shields us from the harshness of space, underscores just how precarious our existence is. Mars, with its thin atmosphere and frigid deserts, offers its own unique set of challenges. The red planet, often seen as the next frontier for human exploration, presents a hostile environment with temperatures plummeting to -125 degrees Celsius at night. The dust storms, which can engulf the entire planet, pose a threat to both machinery and human settlers, yet the presence of water ice beneath its surface gives hope for future colonization. Europa, encasing a hidden ocean beneath its icy shell, beckons with the tantalizing possibility of extraterrestrial life, yet its radiation belts pose a deadly threat. The moon's surface, marked by a network of cracks and ridges, hints at the dynamic processes occurring beneath. The subsurface ocean, kept warm by tidal forces, could harbor microbial life, making Europa one of the prime targets in the search for life beyond Earth. However, the intense radiation from Jupiter necessitates advanced shielding for any potential missions. As we stand on the precipice of a new age of space exploration, a question arises. Will we ever conquer these challenges, find a way to thrive beyond the protective embrace of our own planet? The advancements in technology, from reusable rockets to potential habitats on the Moon and Mars, show promise. International collaborations like the Artemis program aim to return humans to the lunar surface and establish a sustainable presence. Private companies, too, are playing a pivotal role, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Or are we destined to remain forever bound to Earth, forever gazing out at a universe that seems determined to keep us at arm's length? The challenges are immense, from the vast distances between stars to the unknown effects of long-term space travel on the human body. Yet, our innate curiosity and drive to explore push us forward. The night sky, with its myriad of stars and galaxies, serves as a constant reminder of the mysteries that await us. The answer, like the universe itself, remains a mystery, waiting to be unraveled. Each discovery, each mission, brings us one step closer to understanding our place in the cosmos. Whether we find a way to traverse the stars or continue to explore our own solar system, the journey itself is a testament to human ingenuity and perseverance. The universe, with all its challenges and wonders, beckons us to keep pushing the boundaries of what we know.